Come and join us for part 3 of our Across the Alps adventure, this time into Germany and a small town called Passau in Bavaria. It was a straightforward 170-mile drive from Innsbruck to Passau, and using the autobahns we arrived before lunch. Passau is set on a peninsula at the point where 3 rivers converge, and our hotel was in a prime location, in the old town, right on the waterside. The 3 rivers are the Inn, the Danube and the Ilz. The water in each has its own distinct colour. The Inn is green, the Danube is blue and the Ilz is black. At this point, where they all meet, the mix of colours can be seen quite clearly. Anyway, it was lunchtime and we were hungry, so we headed to a restaurant next to the hotel for a traditional Bavarian stew, and then we headed off to explore.
Yeah.
Love you like I do. Love you like I. Love you like I. Nobody will love you. Yeah, love you.
We wandered the streets of the beautiful old town until we arrived back at the riverside. As we did, a river cruise boat was just about to leave, so we hopped aboard for a trip down the Danube and the Inn.
I do. Love you like I. Love you like I. Love you. Yeah, love you like I do.
From there, we took a walk alongside the River Inn.
Love you like I.
This river has been our travelling companion for much of our journey. The source is in the Swiss Alps near St. Moritz. That's where we were just a few short days ago.
Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready to love you, yeah, love you like I do.
Our journey then followed the course of the river through Switzerland and into Austria, and of course, Innsbruck. From there, we followed it to here, the end of this river's journey as it joins the Danube, where it will continue through 8 more countries before draining into the Black Sea 1,000 miles from here. The next morning was a beautiful one. Julie and I decided to make the climb to the Vesta Oberhaus, a 13th century fortress overlooking Passau from the far side of the Danube. To get there, we climbed up a steep path from this side of the hill.
Yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I. Love you like I. Love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I. will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do.
From there, we explored the town one more time.
So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I do. I do. Love you like I, love you like I love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I, love you like I. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. Nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I do.
This morning would be our last in beautiful Passau, as today we will be heading home. But first, we had time to watch a river cruise boat as it made its early morning arrival. With that, we said our goodbyes to Passau and started out on the 100-mile journey to Munich airport. But our flight wasn't until later in the evening, so we had time for one more visit, and a town called Landshut caught my eye on the map, and it was en route to the airport. First impressions were good, and it didn't disappoint from there.
Yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I, love you like I love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I, love you like I. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do.
This, as it turns out, is the tallest brick-built spire in the world.
Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I do.
After a nice lunch, we made our way up to a castle overlooking the town.
Yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I, love you
And then we started making our way back to the car.
like I do. Love you like I, love you like I. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready to love you, yeah, love you like I do.
And that was the end of our trip. We dropped the car at Munich airport and took one last look at the Alps as we flew home. We had driven over 700 miles and visited 4 countries, and we'd had a wonderful time.